today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create extrusions and void extrusions. It's pretty easy. The first thing you need to do is go to architecture and you will see this component tab and there's a down arrow, just click it and you will see model in place. And as you can see, there's a list of things that you can create with a model in place. If you want to do a column, just choose a column. And for this case, I'm just gonna use generic models and name it whatever you want. And for this one, I'm just gonna do a simple extrusion to show you how it works. So there's an extrusion button here, just click it. And then you will have to sketch a path. For this case, I'm just gonna do a square. And let's go to 3D. And here you have it. And notice that extrusions are they're pretty easy to manipulate their width and height and length. You can do whatever the shape you want. And if you want to cut a hole or create a void in the middle, you can use void extrusion. It's right here. And then before you do that, just make sure to pick a plane. I'm gonna do this one. And then I'm gonna do another square. And click OK. Here you have it. You can also manipulate the size if you want to make how deep you want and how wide you want, whatever. Yeah, this is pretty much it.